Hi everyone, this is Maya, and I'm here to talk about photosynthesis and cellular respiration, the two chemical formulas that are needed to support life. Photosynthesis happens inside the chloroplast, stimulated by sunlight. Cellular respiration happens inside the mitochondria. Only plant cells have chloroplasts, but animal and plant cells both have mitochondria. Let's start with photosynthesis. Photosynthesis happens inside the chloroplast and is stimulated by sunlight. The sunlight stimulates a pigment inside the chloroplast called chlorophyll. This is what makes the chloroplast green. Then comes the process of photosynthesis. For photosynthesis, you need 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, and 6 molecules of water. These are the reactants of photosynthesis. They're called the reactants because they react with each other to make the products. The products of photosynthesis are 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. These are the products. They're the products because they are made out of the reactants. So here's the chemical formula for photosynthesis. Stimulated by sunlight, the chloroplast takes 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of water, and turns them into 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. This all happens because of the sunlight. So the products of photosynthesis are glucose and oxygen. The glucose and oxygen need to go somewhere, so they go into the mitochondria, which both animal and plant cells have. Inside the mitochondria, cellular respiration happens. Cellular respiration is when the mitochondria takes the 1 molecule of glucose and the 6 molecules of oxygen and turns them into 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water while releasing ATP energy, which is the energy from the sugars. So here is the formula for cellular respiration. 1 molecule of glucose, 6 molecules of oxygen, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, and 6 molecules of H2O. Also while releasing ATP energy. So, the reactants, oxygen and glucose, react together and turn into 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water, which are the products of the reactants, also releasing ATP energy, which is the energy from the sugars. Now, plants don't rely on animals, but animals completely rely on plants because they don't have chloroplasts. And you need a chloroplast for the cycle. So what happens is the sun rays, which is the sunlight energy, go down into the chloroplast, stimulating the chlorophyll, which starts photosynthesis, which takes 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water and turns them into 6 molecules of glucose and 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. The 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen go into the mitochondria and go into cellular respiration, which is when the glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen turn into 6 carbon dioxides and 6 water molecules, also releasing ATP energy. And the cycle continues on and on and on. This is what starts the basis of life. So you need plants to survive, but the plants don't necessarily need the animals. Thanks for listening.